Hi, I'm a star of Van Gogh, and I'm from the Shabba Ding Dong Galaxy. Today, I'm taking a tour of the Milky Way galaxy, and I've decided to take you along with me.
Really?
Okay, now I'm located on the sun.
What are you?
I'm a space fairy.
Well, hello. I am Sunny, and I'm from the sun.
That's amazing. What can you tell me about the sun?
The sun can fit more than 1 million Earths in a second.
And how hot is it here? Because I'm like sweating.
The core is 25.5 million degrees Fahrenheit, but the surface is 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit.
Is there any special, unique feature about the sun that you know?
The atmosphere is 75% hydrogen and 25% helium.
Wait. So, tell me a special fact.
The sun is the largest thing in the Milky Way galaxy.
That is just amazing. I'm very proud to be on the sun. I feel quite lucky. Welcome, Murray. He's from Mercury.
Yo,
How big is Mercury compared to Earth?
Mercury is 1/3 of Earth's diameter. It's the 8th largest planet, which is the 2nd smallest.
I hear there's no atmosphere, almost no atmosphere here.
That is true.
That is true?
Yes.
And there's no moons either?
Nope, none.
What about space probes?
There have been many, such as the Mercury Messenger, Mariner 10, Probe 2.
Is there any something special about Mercury? Anything at all?
There has been evidence of ice in the North Pole of it.
So like Earth, kind of.
Yes.
That's sweet.
It brings it
far?
relative to Earth in a way.
So they're kind of alike.
Yes, but Mercury is much closer to the sun. It's the closest planet to the sun.
How far away, approximately, is Mercury from the sun?
36,250,000 miles away from the sun.
Thank you for sharing. You're very welcome. You are just awesome. Okay, now I'm on the wonderful planet of Venus. Vivian, can you tell me any special features of Venus?
Well, Venus is a pale yellow color, and it has lots of volcanic activity.
About how many days are in a year on Venus?
There are 225 Earth days in a Venus year.
What makes up the atmosphere of Venus?
Well, Venus's atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid droplets.
I know there are two things that Venus is lacking that most of the other planets have.
Venus has no moons no space probes.
Can you tell me just a random statistic?
Well, Venus's temperature is 864 degrees Fahrenheit.
That is very interesting, and I'm sorry that I have to leave your planet very soon.
Well, Venus is the 7th largest planet.
That's kind of small compared to 9 planets. Maybe a little. Anyway, bye.
Bye. I started it.
Hey! Why would I eat you?
No, who are you?
I'm a star. I'm a space fairy from the Shabba Ding Dong Galaxy. Can you tell me a little bit about...
My name's Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. Hi, it's Stara. Can you tell me a little bit about Earth?
Well, from the sun, Earth is the third planet, coming after Mercury and then Venus.
How big is the diameter of Earth?
It is 7,926 miles in diameter.
What is the atmosphere like?
The atmosphere is mostly composed of nitrogen and then oxygen, and then there's traces of argon and carbon dioxide and other gases.
The temperatures, what do they range from?
The coldest it has been recorded on Earth is negative 127 degrees Fahrenheit, and the hottest has been 136 degrees Fahrenheit.
I know there is one moon on Earth. Does it have a name?
The name of the moon on Earth is Luna.
I don't think there's going to be any space probes here because usually...
Yeah, space probes are usually sent from Earth, so there are no space probes on Earth.
This is Mark. He's from Mars.
Yup.
Mark, can you tell us anything interesting about your planet?
Well, Mars is half the size of Earth and is a rocky planet.
What color is Mars?
Mars is red.
Why is it red?
Well, it has iron-rich minerals and oxide. It's a combination of the two.
I know that Mars has two things.
It has two moons, Phobos and Deimos.
It looks like Phobos.
Well, I'm pretty sure it's Phobos.
Oh, okay. Phobos. Phobos.
I don't know.
Phobos.
Anyway, how hot is Mars?
Mars on the surface is negative 125 to 23 degrees Fahrenheit.
Is there an interesting statistic that you could tell me?
Mars is the 5th biggest planet.
That's cool.
I like your bow. It reminds me of Christmas.
Thanks.
Hello! Did you know that asteroids are rocky material that orbit the sun that are too small to be considered planets? No, I don't think you did. Asteroids also range in size from a diameter of 1,000 kilometers, that's how important it's called, to a pebble. Asteroids have been found inside the orbit of Earth to beyond the orbit of Saturn, but most asteroids are in the main belt that are between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are made of material from the formation of planets. So we're in Jupiter now. A star is filming because our cameraman blew up because it is too cold here. So, I will tell you about Jupiter. Jupiter's diameter is 88,700 miles wide. Yeah, wide. It is the 5th biggest planet. Jupiter's atmosphere is composed of 90% hydrogen and 10% helium. The average temperature is negative 244 degrees Fahrenheit. There are 39 moons in Jupiter. That is a lot of moons. Some of the space probes that have been there are Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, Voyager 1, Voyager 2, Galileo, and yeah, that's it. The distance from the sun is hang on, I can get this. 480 million miles away. Some of the special features are, well, Jupiter has this great red spot, but it's actually a storm, but it's like big and red.
And it has a magnetic field 20,000 times more powerful than Earth's. And it has a really thick atmosphere.